I'm kind of picking up and reorganizing the garage, and I came across this oil filter that I wanted to share with you guys. Have you ever had the most easiest job turn into the most difficult and stressful one? I was doing an oil change to our 2013 Chevy Tahoe, and if you know the amount of space that Tahoe has as far as removing the oil filter, you'll probably kind of understand what I'm talking about. But I use multiple tools that I have. This one being one of them, and I ended up, look at that, kind of just popped open trying to pull that oil filter off. So what I ended up doing was I ended up going and getting me this universal oil wrench. I think it's like a 3-jaw. This one here, I ended up getting this one here, and what I did was using that and one of these sandpapers, I was able to get it off. Let me show you real quick what I did to get this oil filter off. So what I ended up doing was I grabbed one of these sandpapers that I had there, and I wrapped the oil filter. After I wrapped the oil filter, I ended up putting that oil wrench to it. And what it does is that oil paper kind of grips a little better than just having that oil wrench to the oil filter. But yeah, that's what I ended up doing. I wrapped it with that sandpaper, got that oil wrench to it, and put some muscle behind it, and ended up slowly but surely ended up loosening up. That was my way of getting the oil filter removed. Comment down below if you ever came across this situation, if you ever had a oil filter stuck so hard you couldn't get it off. That are probably wondering why that hole is in there, but I tried that hole, stabbing the screwdriver through it and twisting it off. That didn't help either. I didn't want to finish damaging it even more, so I ended up using that sandpaper and that new oil wrench. But yeah, let me know, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you had any situation like this and what got you through it, or how you ended up removing that oil filter off whatever vehicle you were doing.
Up late, gift bag in hand, card from Kohl's, yeah, it's pretty bland.